In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to generate API keys on Smartsheet step by step. If you're connecting Smartsheet to another app, building automations, or working with integrations, you'll need an API access token to make everything work properly. I'll walk you through the full process, and I'll also show you what to do if you don't see the option available. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss anything. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to smartsheet.com. Log into your Smartsheet account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can see your sheets and workspace. Now, to generate an API key, we need to access your account settings. Look down to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on your profile. A small menu will appear. From that menu, click on Personal Settings. This is where you can manage your account preferences, security options, and developer settings. Once you're inside Personal Settings, look for the option labeled API Access. Click on API Access to open the API Management section. Inside the API Access section, you'll see an option that says Generate New Access Token. This is what Smartsheet calls its API key. Click on Generate New Access Token. You may be prompted to confirm the action. Once you confirm, Smartsheet will generate a new API Access Token for you. This token is what you'll use to authenticate your applications, scripts, or integrations with Smartsheet's API. Very important, once the token is generated, copy it immediately and store it somewhere secure, like a password manager. For security reasons, Smartsheet may only show the full token once. If you lose it, you'll need to generate a new one. Now, here's something very important. If you click on API Access and you don't see the option to generate a new access token, or if Smartsheet tells you that you need to upgrade your plan, that means your current subscription does not include API access. In that case, you'll need to upgrade to a plan that supports API functionality. Typically, API access is available on business or enterprise plans. To upgrade, you can go to your account billing section or contact your Smartsheet admin if you're part of a team account. Once your plan supports API access, you can come back to the same API access section and generate your token. Also, remember that API tokens give full access to your Smartsheet data based on your account permissions, so treat them like a password. Never share your token publicly, and if you believe it has been exposed, immediately revoke it from the API Access section and generate a new one. And that's it. That's exactly how to generate API keys on Smartsheet step by step. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If this video helped you generate your Smartsheet API key successfully, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.